All right, it's Bob Barker, RV guy extraordinaire, coming at you with another FPV scooter tour. We're gonna take a ride through Bonham State Park. Bonham State Park is about 5 miles south of Bonham, Texas. Let me get you mounted here. There we go. Alrighty then. Let's get on the scooter and ride. Well, we are back. All right, now we're good to go. All right, Bonham State Park is just a great big old loop around a little lake. So we're gonna go to the right and end up right back here at the gatehouse. There are several hiking trails located throughout the park, but apparently they're all closed because of the weather, the rain that we've been having. This little park looks like it'd be a great place to pay a visit on a hot summer day. Take a dip in the little lake. Bonham State Park was built by the Corps of Engineers. Not the Corps of Engineers. What am I saying? The CCC. Was having a conversation with my neighbor earlier about the Corps of Engineer properties. See the little lake right there? I had a lady yesterday try to tell me I could not ride my mobility scooter. She told me I had to go get permission from the park ranger. And so I went over and had a conversation with the park ranger, and he said she means well, but she really doesn't understand. So group campsite. Lots of folks there. We're going to take a little detour and go up here. This is, as the sign said, the group camp. It's actually set up like barracks, cabins. And there you have it. That's the group camp. Honestly, I just came up here because I wanted to go back down the hill. Get some speed going. Right here on the left, we have tent camping. Dump station, of course. We're gonna come back to the RV hookup section because it's not a loop. It's actually a dead end, and we're gonna finish up there. We're gonna run back up to the entrance. This is park headquarters here on the left. That building and all associated other structures in this park were built by the CCC. Now it says it's a one-lane bridge, but it's actually a one-lane damn road. It's a damn road. Coming into the wind. Sorry about any wind noise. I put the little fuzzy thing on the mic and I tucked the mic inside my shirt and I still get the wind noise. What you gonna do? All right, so we've made a full circle around the lake. We're back here at the main entryway. Now let's go check out the RV campsites. What there is of them. All right, for you folks that are pulling trailers, actually any RV coming in, you're gonna wanna stay to the right when you come in there at that checkpoint, because getting into the RV or the RV campground, camping loop, Hackberry, they call it a loop, it's not a loop. What am I trying to say? I'll get it out in a minute. You want to come in from the opposite direction of what we're going right now because you'll bottom out. We're going to take a look at the boat ramp. Now, this is a no-wake lake, so you cannot bring motorized gas-powered boats down here. Those are the only restrooms and showers in the park. All right, so coming in with an RV, you've got to go down this right here. as you can see, other people have drug their tails coming down this. This is all of the RV sites in the whole park. So you better call and make your reservations. That pretty well wraps up our tour of Bonham State Park. Not a real big park. So if you enjoyed what I've done, hey, you know the deal, give me a thumbs up. If you thought it could use some work, well, give me a thumbs down. But most important, click on the subscribe button down there and help us get to 7,000 subscribers. My goal is 9,000 this year, so every subscriber is appreciated. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?